Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a spotlight on the Musa Basjoo hardy banana tree. If you're looking to add a tropical touch to your garden, this might just be the perfect plant for you. Stay tuned as we explore its features, benefits, and why it's considered one of the best hardy banana plants available. The Musa Basjoo, often referred to as the hardy banana tree, is renowned for its resilience and ability to thrive in various climates. It's a must-have for gardeners who want to enjoy lush, tropical foliage even in temperate regions. Despite its exotic appearance, this banana tree is surprisingly hardy, capable of withstanding colder temperatures than most other banana varieties. Enjoy vibrant green foliage throughout the growing season, adding a tropical ambiance to your outdoor space. Whether you're planting it in the ground or a large container, the Musa Basjoo adapts well to different growing environments. During the warmer months, you might even be treated to small, ornamental bananas if conditions are favorable. Consider planting your Musa Basjoo in a sunny spot with well-draining soil. If you're in a colder climate, remember to mulch around the base and protect it from harsh winter conditions. In conclusion, the Musa Basjoo hardy banana tree is a fantastic choice for both beginner and seasoned gardeners alike. Its resilience, rapid growth, and stunning appearance make it a standout in any garden or landscape. Whether you're aiming to create a tropical oasis or simply want to experiment with exotic plants, this hardy banana tree won't disappoint. That wraps up today's review on the Musa Basjoo hardy banana tree. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know if you've had any experience growing this remarkable plant or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.